Today we are going to discuss about seizure. So what is seizure? Seizure is an abnormal electrical activity of brain. The abnormal electrical activity of brain is called what? Seizure. So what are the symptoms associated with seizure? You can see that the patient may have aura, which is a warning sign of seizure. What do you mean by aura? It's a warning sign of seizure. Aura means just before the seizure, the patient may feel some unpleasant sensation. They may feel that some nauseating sensation, or they may feel some smell like rose and all. That's a warning sign of seizure. So if you get a question, what is a warning sign of seizure? That is an aura. And moreover, we can see the patient may lose the bowel and bladder control. There is a chance for bowel and bladder dysfunction. And thirdly, we can see loss of conscious. And what is postictal state? Postictal state means after the seizure. After the seizure, the patient may have what? Headache, sleepiness and difficulty in speaking, because during the seizure the patient is on strain. So after the seizure the patient may have what? Sleepiness and tiredness and all, and they may have what? Difficulty in speaking. Moreover, they will be disoriented. So these are the symptoms associated with what? Seizure. So let me discuss about the types of seizure. First we can see tonic-clonic seizure, or it is also called as grand mal seizure. From the name itself, tonic-clonic seizure means there are two phases. One is tonic phase and second one is clonic phase. Tonic phase means the patient may suddenly lose the muscle tone and the patient muscle become very rigid and stiffness will be there. Along with that, the patient may have loss of conscious. And in the clonic phase, the patient may have hyperventilation with the jerky movements of extremities. So you want to remember tonic and clonic phase. Tonic phase means the muscle tone will be altered, the patient become stiff, and clonic phase there will be hyperventilation and jerky movements of extremities. And second type is absence seizure. Absence seizure, which is most commonly seen in children. In this type of seizure, child may appears like daydreaming like this. Child may appears like a daydreaming without any loss of conscious. So that is the speciality of this seizure. Without any loss of conscious, child appears like a daydreaming. That is called what? Absence seizure. And last type of seizure is atonic seizure or drop attacks. Suddenly the patient muscle tone will be altered and suddenly the patient may fall on the ground. So it is called drop attacks. So these are the types of seizure. So what are the management of seizure? Seizure, the patient may have what? Secretion, more amount of secretion. So the first priority is that the maintain patent or open airway is the first priority for seizure. That is the first thing. And you immediately place the patient in sideline position so as to prevent aspiration, and you want to suction the patient to clear the secretion and avoid what? Sharp objects from that area to prevent injury. And we can also give the drugs such as what? Diazepam and phenytoin is an anti-epileptic drugs. These are the main drugs we can give for the seizure, and monitor the patient's vitals closely, especially respiratory rate you want to monitor. So these are the outline of seizure. I hope that everyone understood this topic. See you all with another video. Thank you.